Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kevin again here with Yerkit Racing. We're back out in the garage again today for another one. This time around we're working on the golf cart here behind me. We're going to be putting on a lift kit for a customer here. We got, I think it's a 6-inch, but anyway, it's a secondhand lift he picked up off of somebody that had already purchased it. Got to make something for the back because the parts weren't quite there for that. So hoping everything is there for the front at least. And then we'll worry about the back when it comes time. So anyway, that's where we are. We're going to jump right in. See if we can't make this little golf cart here a bit bigger. Okay, the kit is not correct for this one. Gotta love it. Okay, so we ended up having to go back and reorder the correct lift for this particular model. This one here that the guy gave him was from an older model. And thought it was the same years, but I guess it was different. So anyway, we got the right one now. Should be in good shape. Before I get too far with this, look at that one right there. The stock one that came off, and see if these leaf springs look like they were on top of that plate or underneath it, because I can't remember this one.
It looks like
Underneath.
the leaf springs were probably underneath.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, they were.
Okay.
Washer, without the washer being under that.
Okay.
Is that right?
Is what right?
Is that right?
Is what right?
Is that right?
That right, what right? I mean, you got to be more specific.
Is that supposed to be out to the front right there, or is it supposed to be on the back side?
It's on the back side. I don't know what this part is for. Maybe a shock absorber or something. I don't know why they tied it all together like this. It's kind of sticky.
Is this kit for the front and rear, or just for the front?
Yeah, these brackets right here for rear. This thing needs some instructions, bro. Pretty sure they're gonna want you to drill this knuckle and everything. I don't see no way around it other than drilling. You. It ain't going through there like this. Battery. So these go under the bottom and line up with those holes. Or the spacers go under that. Front end's done. We're getting ready to set it down. Take you a break while we do that. Go pick you up some merch off the site here. Yerkit Racing merchandise. 1, 2, 3. Right there.
Right there.
Okay, got it?
Yep.
Do you put some on the front wheels?
I need some chocks to parking, there ain't no brakes on the front. So we're gonna need some chocks.
All of us combined, we didn't even have to push that hard.
Cause I'm a piece.
Needless to be.
I guess we ready for this to come down. Be a little more intelligent about this one. I don't love the idea of what needs to happen next. But I feel like I need that jack.
Okay. I don't love the idea you having your legs
I
on
don't
it.
either. I don't either. Which right now it ain't even sitting on it, but I don't really know what else to do. Alright, let's see if you can slide in. Come in. Keep coming. Right there. Jack up a little bit right there. Alright, coming.
Keep coming.
Yep. Hold on, slow hold right there for a second. Down a little bit maybe. Alright, hold right there. Let me put that bolt. Alright, jack it up, son. Yep, keep coming. Yep, keep coming.
Keep coming.
Alright, hold for a second. Yeah, we in the short rows now. How in the Sam, son of a God almighty doggone. Alright, hold right there.
Is your bracket lined up on the other side?
Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, I mean, it's through there.
Okay.
It's already through it. I got the nut started, but it's like the bolt don't want to go all the way in. Come on, man. Why in the world are you fighting me so freaking bad? Just do what you're supposed to do. I really hate working on shit. I do. I can't stand it. Like, I really just can't stand it.
Ready to come down?
Yep.
Down if you're ready.
Gotta ride a little way.
Yeah, at least it moves.
All right, guys, so that puts a wrap on the golf cart here. Ton more ground clearance. Need to get some wheels and tires for it now. These stock ones look pretty small. Otherwise though, really happy with the way it turned out. It rides pretty good, so no complaints there. Show you the seat here. It folds out. We got a little bed on it, so that's pretty cool. And extra seating in case you want to ride a couple more folks. But yeah, once he gets the wheels and tires on this thing, guys, I'll bring it back and I'll show you kind of how it turned out with all that. But for now, that's going to about wrap it up for this one. Be sure to go over to the merch site and check that out if you want to pick up something to support the channel. We greatly appreciate it. Also, check out the new site that we just launched, yerkitracing.com. Got a few parts and stuff up there. You know, going to have more stuff rolling out in the coming weeks and months. So check it out. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks and God bless.